Hello and a warm welcome to Tanushrী's Reading Room. This week I have decided to share something new with you all. That is English Conversation Practice, which is a continuation of the series I had done a few weeks ago. That series I had named Spoken English Conversations, and now it will be all the same but with a little variation. That is English Conversation Practice, Lesson 1. Two friends in a marriage party. Rajesh: Hey, how are you? Met you after such a long time. Remo: Yes, very true. It has really been a very long time. Rajesh: So, how's everything going? Remo: Oh well. Rajesh: Maddie has been planning to marry since a long time. Finally it happened. God bless the couple. Primo: Oh yes, we have been friends for a very long time. I was extremely happy to receive his invitation. The couple looks very happy indeed. God bless them. Rajesh: Will you be staying here today? Remo: I'm not sure yet, but if he presses too much upon me, then I'll have to. Rajesh: In that case, after the party is over, you can come over with me and we both will have a nice time after so many years, isn't it? Remo: Okay, done. After the party, we are going to your house. How's Auntie? It's good that I'll be able to meet her after such a long time. Thanks, buddy. Rajesh: She's absolutely fit and fine, and I'm sure she'll not only be surprised, but extremely happy to see you after such a long time. Remo: Okay, sure. Come on, let's enjoy the party now. So friends, this is a very simple conversation, just as you speak to another friend of yours when you meet in a marriage party. I hope you have liked it. So if you have liked it, please do like and share and comment. Give me your feedback, give me your valuable suggestions, give me some more ideas that what kind of conversations you want to hear, what kind of conversation practices you want to see in my lessons. And friends, are you practicing the lessons which I have already uploaded? If not, start it today itself by subscribing to Tanushrী's Reading Room, which is the YouTube channel in which I am uploading all these lessons. So, in the YouTube search bar, type the name Tanushrী's Reading Room and subscribe so that you get the daily updates of my newer lessons as well as the lessons I have already uploaded. So friends, I hope you are enjoying this journey with me. Please give me your valuable suggestions so that I can grow better and stay happy, take care of yourself, and as I have already said, never think yourself inferior or disillusioned. Try to always feel positive, motivated, confident, and try to always believe that you are the best. You can do the best, and you can always give the best to others. So friends, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Tanushrী's Reading Room, today itself, and get my latest updates every day. And please support me by giving me your feedback, that whether you are liking my lessons or whether you want me to improve them in some better ways, or in what other areas you want me to discuss with you all, so that this journey becomes all the more interesting. So see you in my next lesson with something new. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.